2-pack 1080p HD wired Wi-Fi camera, total 2 free SD cards, 2.1 megapixel resolution always brings you a clear live view of your home. IR night vision with extreme low light coverage up to 33 feet, ensuring your high-quality view of your home even in the dark. Built-in microSD slot, we provide 2 free SD cards. Easy setup, durable camera and stable app, easy to install and a breeze to use. Compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. 5 GHz not supported, download app from App Store or Google Play. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Professional customer service team at your service. Motion detection, two-way audio. An indoor home security camera with instant motion detection is necessary and important for our life. Ensuring you are only alerted when a person, and not a stray cat, approaches. Live streaming 24/7 with real-time motion. Smart programmable motion detection has intelligent motion alerts feature. You can receive message alerts on your phone. Listen and talk to family or children with built-in noise cancellation mic and speaker. Stylish and fit for most scenes, the camera can be installed anywhere such as the living room, kitchen, and office. Space-efficient design helps you acquire a wider view angle. Buy 2 cameras for separate rooms and save more. Sell with 2 cameras, you can use cameras in 2 rooms. Cloud storage with US server for your privacy protection. The indoor security camera works with cloud storage and built-in slot. This package includes 2 free SD cards, and secure your data. Use your private account to log in and manage your family group in the app. Top reviews from the United States. Great picture quality. Safe with encrypted channels. I am so happy I found this product. I was skeptical about cameras connecting to my home due to hearing of problems relating to other brands and hackers. This camera connects to a safe and encrypted server every time you log in to view your cameras, so I am always able to feel at ease. These cameras are wonderful and the price you are paying makes them even better. They have great quality and setup takes no longer than 5 minutes. Upon receiving the cameras, in a timely manner I might add, they were nicely packaged with an instruction manual that made setup easy and quick. The longest setup time was finding where I was going to put them. The adhesive 3 meters tape worked great as I stuck it to the side of a wall and I haven't had any problems. The app is the 3rd one down in the App Store. I have pictured the correct one for reference. As you can see in the live shot, I included the image as clear and the two-way sound works wonderful. I love being able to check in on my dogs all day when at work, and being able to speak to them through the camera makes things 10 times better. Definitely recommend this product.